This is on a Recon 250, installing the stator cover for it. Just a quick video on all the different pieces that have to get lined up in here and how they go. Got your two gears here for your starter. This back one here is a washer and a circlip on this side of it. This gear set here, there's a smaller gear behind it. There's no washers or anything on that one. On the cover side, you have to align this longer side of the pin with that neutral stamp in that cover. This emergency shifter here has to be basically straight up and down, and then right in here installing those two shafts. This main shift shaft here just slides in. That one's pretty simple, but then this reverse shaft here can be confusing how that one goes. It's got some spring tension on it down in here, and you basically, this has to go in prior to this, but you have to get this arm in the back here kind of set in the case in that cutout there, and then use like a flathead screwdriver to pry this spring up into here. And then once that's installed, then you can find neutral. Neutral is basically, you can stick a flathead screwdriver in here, rotate it all the way to the left. You might have to spin your output shaft a little bit in order to get it to shift. Spin it all the way to the left and then pull up on this. That's basically your reverse safety mechanism there. Pull up on that, you should be able to go one more click to the left counterclockwise. Once you do that, then rotate it to the right until you hear this snap back in place, then you know you're in neutral. But that's everything that has to be set up prior to installing the case. The flywheel on it, get it installed. There's a keyway in there, a one-way bearing and a needle bearing behind it. Get it all installed, and then actually put your recoil bracket on there, tighten it down, and then take this back off. That way this thing is seated on the taper and it doesn't pull off of there with the when it magnetizes with the stator when you're trying to go on with the cover.